Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connections so the thermostat has a stable reference. Without that, you'll get errors. Once power is off, remove the existing stat and label each wire. Make sure you have either 24 VAC common or fresh AA batteries installed. Now attach the Braeburn base to the wall, level it, and secure it. Reconnect R, C, W, Y, G, and O/B to their matching terminals. This is the foundation for all programming and sensor readings that follow. Once done, restore power and watch the Braeburn boot sequence to confirm the model and firmware. You will set system type next. Choose heat pump or conventional because controls and reversing valve action depend on that selection. Make sure you configure heating and cooling stages, single or multi-stage, so the thermostat signals equipment correctly. Then set fan behavior, cycle rate, and temperature differential such as 0, 5 degrees to 1, 0 degrees to balance responsiveness and compress. You finish by testing every function. Call for heat, call for cool, and run the fan to verify relay action and correct terminal responses. Then program schedules and setback temperatures and confirm the thermostat readings match a reference thermometer. Recalibrate if needed. If things go wrong, no display, stage failures, or erratic behavior, make sure the C wire is present, all wire screws are tight, and breakers are on. If necessary, reboot the thermostat and rerun setup. That often clears configuration glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.